My phone kept on ringing. Oh my God. My phone kept on ringing the whole of today. I concentrate with home. People were calling me from America. People were calling me from all over, from Congo, from Angola. Hey! So, if not because of those lovers of Ogechi and those lovers of truth, Keda Mbatara, even needri wiche wolu mmiri ọkụ wuo ezigbote ahụ na kpula. But nevertheless, a lot of people now about concern about arrest Ogechi. But let me make it very clear now. I want to make it very, very clear today, now, this moment, and I am sounding it as a note of warning. Number one criteria for you to get blocked from my page, number one criteria, food my post, food post in your entire life is after I end this broadcast or within the course of this broadcast. If you ever come to any video menu, drop or comment, where is Ogechi, you will be blocked immediately. Immediately you will be blocked. And it starts now, not tomorrow. So I'm not begging you to be on my platform. As a matter of fact, Owolona me an enemy of progress. Or even you remain on my platform. The moment I hear Pakam, where is Ogechi Akuna Chicago, Chukwuemenka, instantly you will be blocked from Ezugo Global TV. Having said that, Vivian was arrested. They told us it is for a while. It is only an arrest. Matthias was arrested. They told us it is for a while. It is only an arrest. And the Oplonyopo police. In fact, one of them even told us that no ni wonye Nigeria, mananega bo police. A man. Yes. One of them even told us clearly that no nega bo police. A man. So, the lovers of Ogechi, I want to tell you people, arrest of Ogechi or what? You don't need to panic. You don't need to panic. When Ogechi was arrested on 3rd of January, I came on a live broadcast like this and I told you people that there is no cause for alarm. That arrest is a normal thing. I still stand on that first broadcast in Mercury when Ogechi was arrested at first, and I still stand on that today. Arrest is not the end. Anybody can be arrested, including me. But the only thing I'm telling you people is that there is no panic. You people should not panic. For those people who are calling me, there is only 1, 2, or 3 things you can do when you get arrested in Nigeria here. And that is exactly what we are doing. So, for those people who are saying, no Ogechi, no Jewenanga, happen ndi uriho. Happen ndi uriho. There is no cause for alarm. Ogechi was arrested. She came out. Arrest is not conviction. That one is very sure. Arrest is not conviction. You should not panic. The same way Matthias is weje Abuja bata. The same way VDM si weje Abuja bata. That same way Ogechi weje Abuja bata. Unless na arrest or wakwazie n'igbu mmadụ. Go. Unless na arrest adọkwazie na ịkwụ otu igbu mmadụ. Unless na ndị gwara anyị na Matthias arrest. No, unless na arrest ya elugo na nke Ogechi change. Unless na the same arrest ya emelu VDM orugo na nke Ogechi change. But as far as the same arrest emelu VDM ka emelu mathematical nwa mama webekwa mmeri Ogechi, it is still the same arrest, and the she will go and come back. The wailers will continue to wail. Mary. You don't see if any need itself. No go na take come out for. Mana kanta wubere. Maryam AC. Banyo ko abaikwe ka white ya shawa. You see? So, as I was saying, all na the same arrest emelu VDM with the same arrest emelu Matthias go the same arrest emelu Ogechi. There is no cause for alarm. Yes, I celebrated the arrest of Matthias. You can go ahead and celebrate the arrest of Ogechi. It is your business. The same way I celebrated the arrest of Matthias, it is my business. So I will not stop you from celebrating. I will not stop you from enjoying. I will not stop you from doing anything. It is your choice and it is your liberty. One thing is sure. I stand with Ogechi. Gidigba. Henceforth, if you come to my page and comment nonsense about Ogechi, my own free VDM, my own free Matthias, my own free Ogechi protest is to block you immediately. That is the protest. Nemena arrest Ogechi. Okay, let us stop that immediately. Let us start that. George Rapuruchukwu, off you go. Career. Yes, confirm. Maryam Shisum, off you go. You see, some of you are wahife. Ufadu ni mu na emu ho brain. Ufadu ni mu na emu ho sense. Either say you celebrated the arrest of Matthias. Abangrame celebrated it. In fact, I celebrated it. I drank wine. You are free to go and drink wine and arrest Ogechi. Who cares? Who cares? Your mother, who cares about how you feel? Or who cares? I don't care. I don't care for one day. You are free to celebrate the arrest of Ogechi the same way I celebrated the arrest of Matthias. Yes. So in go maybe some years ago, your madam has been arrested. Your this one, I am telling you clearly. I was celebrating the arrest of Matthias. Now my page. I did not come to your page. I was celebrating it from my page. I did not hide it. I posted it all through until Opota. Even if I don't know filter, we may broadcast as Matthias. You can do the same. Yes, if your majesty shimo atoro odekwa again, but you were mocking Matthias. Ụfọdụ n'ime unu wụ ntị kịta ka nghọta na ọhụrụ na mmadụ kịta ka nghọta n'ife ụfọdụ ji eme imecha broadcast ha na-eme ka ya sị na ha anụghị ife ikwu, but you were mocking Matthias. I mean, that is exactly what I am saying here. Did you not hear me say it? Did you not hear me say it? I said my own protest. Godwin Chimezie, this is the right time to block you. I'm waiting for you. Type nonsense. I want you to drop nonsense comment here. Hey, what I go? Okay. Emeka Chizoba, have a good day from my page. Have a good day from my page. Hey, what I go? If a male very dark man withdraw your money. Hey, what I go? Withdraw your money from GTB Bank, right? My own campaign of reuse Ogechi will block them. That is my own campaign. Hey, what I go? I will celebrate the arrest of Matthias more than 1 million times. Celebrate Yanko Ogechi 1 million times. Who cares? Who cares? Godwin Chimezie, this is the least you can be doing. I am waiting for you. Yes, the protest here be done. I will drop. They bakam. They have arrested Ogechi. 1 kobo in one account. You are laughing because they arrested Ogechi. Yeah? 1 kobo na really sisi dollar you don't have. You don't care. Chifi every day. Ogechi. Ona fionenu. Oni chugola. Ogechi ame chugola. Some of you do shameless. You want to go? Some of you do actually shameless. Some of you do actually shameless. Oduka asinu mulonu ne nazo na ya arrest Ogechi Ogono. And so what? Ogechi was arrested when she came to Nigeria. We all turned out for her. I said it. Even that time. I arrested Ogechi. That even at the end of the day, Ogechi did not come out. We will still stand and be happy that at least we stood in for her. That is the difference. Yes. That is the difference. So, it is a reality we have seen. So, Ngoma Abia na page ma Abia celebrate arrest Ogechi. You are if you atoro because we don't care. We don't care. You want to go? We don't care. Or that why in Bonaro. We are not even bothered. Yeah? Come on, go. Biko oya apụtakwo kelu mgbe oya apụta ntị a na-akọwa ọkọ ka ịnụ na ọpụtago ka i wee bewekwa agbago m unu free onwe you from bondage Ogechi tirigo na free yourself from that bondage Ogechi tirigo na otherwise you will keep dwelling in atakosi n'obi. Free yourself. It is only you who can free yourself from that bondage. Because some go just will carry Jeku me una bondage. The Ogechi no. The thing na amigo na illegal. E ought to go. On amigo na illegal. So I want to be like Ogechi, we are free to laugh at Ogechi. We don't even care. I've said it before. We don't care. It's not a new thing. What I go? It's not a new thing. You want to go? So, I say, na ebu Matthias jebe Abuja ife a ekwu n'Ọka eburu mata ihe afụfọ bụ ụmụ ofeke ahụ mere vidio ahụ ihe afụ ofeke ahụ mere da vidio sịrị gị okwu ụmụnne ya ekwu n'Ọka ekwu Anambra steeti eburu ejebe Abuja so ka e wee mee intimidation ihe afụ mugwu ahụ merie ọpụtakwa echi niile kịta ọtụde gbanye kamera kọba tu agụgụ m ụnụ na onye amaghị onye ụlọ na Facebook a ọ bụrụ maka mmụnwa ọmụ ga-aba na amụrụ ọkpọ nkwụrụ akwụrụgo m onweghị ife ihe eme ma akwụgharị ya unless na me decide on my own ekwugharị. My love for Ogechi is undiluted. Hate me for it, I don't care. Love me for it, kudos to you. I'm telling you, my love and support for Ogechi is 120%. I cannot stop loving her. It doesn't matter. I cannot stop. So it is a fact. Also, J Park said it's coming for you. J Park yeah. My support for Ogechi is 100%, although diluted. I repeat again, it is undiluted. So, if you think somebody like in Mexico, somebody like Mexico, who ofeke amahombreke nkokwa aturo amahive, you think that your hatred for Ogechi can affect my relationship with her? If you ofeke amahive, when I post anything about VDM, you don't care what some people hold in mind beside VDM. You love him just like that, but you think you can affect my relationship with somebody who should don't know where it stops. If you were the biggest ofeke of all time, if you were the biggest ofeke of all time, and I'm waiting for you, I am waiting for you for the sake of, okay, Emeka Opala, bye-bye. Off you go. Ususuga to corner too much, self. Your nuisance is becoming too much. You want to go? You want to go? I don't need to patronize you for loving who I choose to love. You want to go? I don't need to patronize you for loving who I choose to love. You can love who you choose to love. It is not my business. So, if you hate Ogechi, we are on for her. I support her 150%. Yes, you people should leave Ogechi alone. Yes, you people should leave Ogechi alone. That is the only way Ogechi will leave you people alone. But if you think you can't leave her alone, but you want her to go in silence, if does not concern me. But what I know is that I support her 100%. I want all of you to come right now so that I can block all of you. I am blocking you people. So there you dey Makam, off you go. Ije fake account. We batabia wash one. You gotta go. You gotta go. Some of us now do genuine when we are making friends. We don't make friends because of what we will get. We make friends and we are true to friendship. We don't betray friends. We don't even make friends because of people's opinion. You gotta go. So, all you say, me ya ate relationship munayo, no you munu Ogechi neme. Off you go. You gotta go. Because what it means is that you don't know what true friendship is. Anamajo. If you think that they am would gauge relationship munayo in the altar of Namuno Ogechi Nato, because you hate her, therefore we should all hate her. You think life is like that? Life is not like that. You want to go? So the news I have for you is that celebrate and drink your wine the same way I drank wine, Nisi Matthias. You are free. I'm going to go I for once. Only in the shame, but I can be the warrior. No, no, see a bit. Mba arrest Matthias. Adam ebu di ori ahu. Adam ebu di ori ahu. Isheta ko even gwalawo. Isheta ko even gwalawo mba ha arrest Ogechi at first. Agbara ngo sego. No awuru ni the shame put aka ngwa. No, they are intimidation Ogechi. You will not hear it from Ezugo mouth. You will not hear it from my mouth. Adama abopo. La shalopa. And that is Ezugo. Mbopo only seek before Alashalwam. So it was we buy. Nanto is we arrest Matthias. No while. Me kuna arrest Matthias. Arrest the Kwenka. Me I still stand on that. You want to go? I still stand on that. Wabunye oya zuzuru puono go ofeke dokago enwe ife na ebe eme go fi wuwo ofeke go ife wuwo ofeke ụfọdụ n'ime na ama ho di ife in on a comment section na-ekwu for thousands of people ha na turn in for the same oge you think you hate. Do you think it is only me who love her? If you have differences with Ogechi, go and settle it with her. Leave us out of it. Yes, that is what we are saying. You cannot recruit us to come and fight your battle. You want to go? You want to go? You cannot recruit us if you join Ukutalo. I don't operate that way. I'm operating at zero emotions. Adama operating with emotions. So I will still go straight and look at the reason. If I do, you cannot cry victim when you are not the victim. You cannot be victimizing somebody and not cry victim. You see? If you think that's Ezugo, na arrest Ogechi, you will not deter me with it. I'm telling you. That's the thing. It will not even make me to shake you one bit. Take it from me. It is the reality I am telling you. Yes. People like me and thousands of other people love Ogechi. And there is nothing you can do about it. Yes. The same way she was arrested and she came out, she has been arrested again and she's going to come out. She's going to come out. All we're going to know about her, we still love her. All we're going to know about her, we still love her like that. How will it be difficult for you people to understand that this is what love is all about? Even if Ogechi Jerusalemga, we still love her. Meaning, go now arrest her. If I will be honored. No, Jelunga will not even change how we feel about her. So now that you have known that the love is undiluted love, why can't you take your hate to your house? People talk about Matthias. You don't care. What you know is that you love him. People talk about other people. You don't care. What you know is that you love them. You talk about Ogechi. We don't care. What we know is that we love her. And we will always turn up for her, whether you like it or not. It doesn't matter. So, then you now ask where is Ogechi? So what? Meaning what? Meaning what? Yeah? Meaning what? Yeah? I want to ask you. So it doesn't matter. Oh, I laughed at Matthias so loud. Feel free to laugh at Ogechi. Son of my business. I laughed at Matthias. Feel free to laugh at Ogechi. You want to go? I have my own reservations about Matthias, and for now it hasn't changed. So you can as well have yours about Ogechi. You want to go? It can still not change how we feel about her, and that is how life is. You want to go? That is how life is. You want to go? That is how life is. You don't go to other people. You don't go to other people to go and bully them. When they serve you a little of what you are dishing to them, you will come out to come and cry foul. That is not how Ezugo operate. I've said it. I don't operate. I operate on zero emotion, but I use sense, 100% sense. I use my sense to judge. I don't judge with my emotion. You will still understand this later. Not now. You will understand this later, not now. That is why I arrest Matthias. Intimidation. I love them because they are merely talking out of emotion. Meaning, to go nke faka. Omuwa wezugo. Wofunye gbalawo. Muwa wezugo. Wunye ofunye gbalawo. Mba arrest Ogechi na January nseyo. That I will never for one day condemn the arrest of Ogechi. I said it, and I'm repeating it again in this second arrest. Because Mamo endorsed that the same arrest that Matthias Mbaho who support all that same arrest. Ogechi. So, what is the difference? The only thing I need to do is to support her as a sister. The greatest love would have been to caution her when she was proudly stepping on toes. You are a nice person, but least expected you keeping quiet after her excesses. I will not block you because of one thing. I will not block you because of one thing. Because of one thing, you will block. But my sister, don't push it too far. That is the only thing. Don't push it too far. Because I hate people who are biased with passion. I hate people who are biased with passion. I don't even like those people patronizing me at all. Because your ear is only wide listening to what Ogechi says, but you don't care to listen what people say about her. You will first of all tell me one single thing Ogechi has said about people that people has not said that 20 times about her. You might as well say no on the mother. But before yourself na screen, have you cleared to caution those people who cause out Akuna Chicago? Have you cleared to caution those people who call her Eberima Chicago? Have you cared to caution those people who calls her all manner of names? Have you cared to caution them one day? I am asking you, but your ear is only open when you hear her talking, but you close it immediately, and you enjoy it when people talk at her, when people are all manner of alpha. Yes. Your ear is only open. I told you people, I will not be part of this mess on the Facebook. I would rather leave Facebook instead of enjoying this nonsense. Harrison Wafo, lover of Ifa Yoba. Lover of Ifa Yoba. They comment also can block lover of Ifa Yoba. If for Ifa Yoba nanya. You suddenly love Ifa Yoba because of Ogechi. Eh? You suddenly love Ifa Yoba because of Ogechi. A post video Ifa Yoba kita. You will be the first to call her. I challenge you. I challenge you to come on Facebook and challenge those people who said Ifa Yoba connive with Indausa Jebunata and Nantekano. No, it's saboteur. I challenge you to talk back at those people. I am asking you, did you shut your ear? Yeah, in Ogechi Okeke National Tego, Mbende Madu Kulu Ifa Yoba connive. Nalo government go. Jebunata Ogechi, Jami Jebunata Mazen Nantekano. No, a saboteur call. That even when his convoy, our convoy, Yewe, na people were still wishing him no. I am asking you that even our convoy, if I knew some people may wish. No, don't say this is your opinion. Let us be reasonable. It can be your opinion. It can be your opinion. Since you are now interested, you are now a Oba family, and you are now a member of Oba's family, and you have suddenly developed that soft spot for Ogechi. Let us now talk about everything that has been said against him. I ask you now the question. So, did you hear when he was accused of no connive with the government by Webunata Mazen Nandekano from Kenya? Anna Majuga Juju. Were you also here? People were sympathizing with him. Oh, for the name wish no deserve. Did you also hear when people were celebrating and jubilating Mbongo? Did you hear it on Facebook? Did you hear? Did you hear it? Did you hear it? You see, you are only interested in Ifo Ogechi because of Ogechi. One more comment for you, I will block you. Since you are not making sense, since I have seen that you are just speaking for your emotionally hatred in Ogechi, listen to my broadcast and don't comment again. It is the only advice I will give you. Listen to my broadcast. Don't ever comment again. If you comment again, another blocking immediately. I don't operate with emotion. Lie. I don't. You what I go? I don't operate with emotion. That even Ogechi na Jepake na Abu ha. Most of you. Okay, Harrison, it's obvious. Off you go. Bye bye. You fake account, bata. You fake account, bata. You wash was you off ma. Man, they drop one of that thing. A shop qua blocking. You want to go? You want to go? Okay, another Ifa Yoba lover that never existed when Ifa Yoba was alive. I've commented again. I block you again. You want to go? I want, in fact, I want all those people. You want to go? I want all those lovers of Ifa Yoba who began to love Ifa Yoba after Olu. All those people who began to love Ifa Yoba because of Ogechi. Why I am blocking those who are asking about Ogechi, I will be blocking you people immediately. Brother, level your argument, okay? Mark John, Dalo. I have leveled the argument. You want to go? I've leveled the argument. You want to go? For the moon, you are okay. Okachana, some people, Yamada Fafa, senseless name, he see. Atoro. Ogechi no to Ogechi na abane. Ifini ni na J Park na anogo. They go to the page eba na koto Ogechi na nke J Park. Na enwa anyole, na eme thumbs up. Chiso mama ya puta from morning till night. Ogido Ogechi urele ipu Chicago. Iru eba na say I love your courage. Nya ine thumb up and na koreaka and na say right down. And I say right down. Yet, I like it. If Ogechi neku, yeah, you people think that na money in the airport and no me to say me. But the money in to say me. I said, if you are against Etoga, if you can be against Etoga, be against Etoga for all. Once Okeke to Oga, a cover Okeke. Okafa abia to Oga, ebia ki ku oku. One day, you will as far as I'm concerned. So, if you are against insulting our brothers, you should go after anybody, palele, umunai, whether umuwoke or umuwine. You want to go? You should be against. Man, say no, pota, support Wonya. There are no Olusian and Konya. Esisi buo makono nya heso esi buo nde furi enanya odago ana ma ajuju makono nya heso esi buzi ebuo makono ogolo nde furi enanya. But you can condemn okay malike Evelyn Nani. Ogechi has been in Nigeria 4 to 5 months. Are you people contributed in her program? If not, she could have settled with people. Before my block. In an account, you must go 10,000 naira an account. But you are bothered about Ogechi being in Nigeria for 5 to 6 months. And you hate Korea. It should go down a problem. Yet, you are having problem with us. Who brought her to Nigeria? If you win a flave, off you go. Off you go. The other go. Off you go. The other go. Shibus are bright. Shibus are bright. Don't drop another comment ever. You drop another comment ever, I block you immediately. Yes. You drop another comment here, I will block you immediately. I told me how you patronize your message to send it. I block you immediately. You want to go? Okay. You gonna off you go again. You better also look where the got EJ. Draw attention more and more block before. So you shop blocking again. But I go again. Yeah, that go. Yeah? My brother will go. Please, can we learn to forgive you? So that preaching, is it for who now? Is it for who? That Nanguma na si na ezu go. Na jubilate na arrest Matthias. Because ele enwangole na arrest Ogechi. Can you feel the ebe mu na go no? Feel the ebe mu na go no. Na like Matthias. I like Omume. Yes. He hate Ogechi, like Ogechi. So can you tell me if the ebe mu na go no? Ebe imu ife. Can you tell me if a dish and some of you, your mothers are worse than Ogechi. Your sisters are worse than Ogechi. Some of your brothers are worse than Ogechi. Worse than Ogechi. Have you thrown them all away? I am asking you a question. Have you thrown them all away? Because they are either your sister or Nkemronafo or Dina Noano or Wanyina or one Neunafo. But some of you in person, you are, because when you comment, I automatically know who you are. Onye oku na soyi nante. Manke ukuru ya soyoyi. Manke ukuru ya soyoyi. Manke na kuru ya soyoyi. Nke ukuru aya soyoyi nante. You quite the same thing or to nante. You are showing us who you are. Kiruka Mesiku Okeke Njaka Esime Zugoni le Kualo Mr. Okonkwo Ekuzie Zugonwa ise no deserve here. Iwesimu mwedo. Everybody wants Onyoona to reason from their own angle. And that is why onye puto say na in a government I know dictatorship. Now, a president think a dictator will instrument of power now. He will go after his enemies. What does it make him? What does it make him? No, Diego na one day mother okuka. Na Chineke ya marry that money. Kenye kene ukwota of ego nyaoji. You will go after your enemies. What does it make you? Because you don't have that money at that time, at that particular moment. Does it mean that if you have that money, you cannot do times 100 what that person have done? So you see, everybody wants you to reason from their own angle. Yes. Evelyn is that is your business. You want to go? Let me even block you. One touch. Ogechi is bad. Ogechi is back. Angel. Ogechi is this. Ogechi is this. Angel, okay? Angel in human form. Man, he did her comment. He goes through. Yeah? How can you tell me that you was mad, but you have never condemned one thing out of even JPAC Ogechi? It's only was mad. How can you tell me he was mad, but a condemned one thing out of even the how Ogechi and Moku about Ogechi? How boy I can call haka? How boy you call haka? If you will only know the meaning of Akuna when you hear it from one Ogechi. Yeah? You will only know the meaning of Eberima when you hear Ogechi say it. You will only understand what it means when it comes from Ogechi. But when you hear it from Shiso, it will make a lot of meaning to you. Okay, since this is my page, you can now gladly leave. You came here yourself. I did not bring you here. I continue with my normal program. And let me make it clear. I've said this before and I'm saying it again. If you are following me on my page, if you expect that we must agree on anything, I am not your son. I'm not even your brother. So it is not left for you to program my life the way I should live it. Oh, no. You started following me with reason. Don't forget that that's the same video that made you follow me, made many people to unfollow me. The same video that made you, the same stand that made you love me. There are people who hated me for that. Say, actually, like you. what happened that this is also my stand. Many people who followed me because of my stand, maybe y'all are me education. Following me, I'm not here to patronize you. Otherwise, I will go into proper content in those name. I do content just to get to, but I make sense the best way I understand things. It is good if this particular topic will make no sense to you. Probably tomorrow, another one may make sense to you. That is it. So I am not here to patronize you. So if you are expecting parish priest agree go with 100%, or even one who can agree with. Agree 100%. Who am I to you? I'm asking you. Who am I to you? So you people should stop this bully on Facebook. That is what I call it. Some of you they make emotionally, some of you they use tricks. But you don't know. You want people to think the way you think. You want people to behave the way you behave. Why will make it? Why will they make 100% to it? And I'm exactly 100% to it. And I'm he may make 100% into Negushokime onto Nauchokime. Why do you think you can wield the same influence over Munyo Somolamu? I am asking you, and this is a question. If you want to be reasonable, you can understand what I'm saying. If you want to be reasonable, you can understand what I am saying. If you want all this, if I am on Facebook to stop, sleep and wake up and condemn what is evil without minding who is saying that or who did it. Ogechi meye, condemn moye. Jepak meye, condemn moye. Chiso meye, condemn moye. Anybody meye, condemn moye. But if you master the art of always condemning those you perceive to be in the low, and you think you can manipulate me to do the same thing with you, I will tell you, my brother and my sister, it is not going to be possible. It is not going to be possible. Condemn what is evil. Yes, I have said it before, and I will say it again at this broadcast. So, politics is a dirty game. Politics is a dirty game. What makes politics a dirty game? And what is politics, by the way? Politics is never a dirty game. But this mentality I know in Africa here is what made politics in Africa here or a dirty game. Can you find you like that? Because politics in a simple term can be just a way of reconciling different conflicting interests into a common interest. And what is that common interest? That common good, that goal, that aim. That is what it is. My interest may not be right in a matter. Your interest may not be right in the same matter. But there is one common interest in that same matter, which is the truth. Which is the truth. But because of the interest I have in that matter, because of your interest also, you say to my dear, politics is just a way of boycotting your interest, seeing something reasonable I can pick from your interest, pick from this one, and reconcile it to that common truth. It is difficult to be done in Africa here. That is why politics here in Juwedo called very dirty, because it is only based on interest. If you don't agree on that interest, you are perceived to be an opponent. That is the truth you don't want to look at. You are not after Ogechi because of what he said against JPAC. If you are after Ogechi because of Ifokuru against JPAC, you will also be against what JPAC said about Ogechi. That is the truth. That is the truth. Because you cannot tell me that everything JPAC said about Ogechi the right. You cannot tell me that. But you are willing to join anybody who wakes up to fight Ogechi. Not because no one if Ogechi personally, but because of a perceived hatred in your born. She hasn't even offended you directly, but because of what you heard, because of so many things, you don't even know where it started from. And you are willing to connive with anybody. Broadcasting another thing. So mona be a cow called Mamangos and the yard. All the quantity na mmeku. Abekwa nkwoye or even name nkwo nka amanya. Iya fundeli na ho. Serewo na oppress Matthias. Iya fundeli na serewo. Kirifa na eje Abuja eje ekwu. Eba ekwu na Anambra. Iya fundeli na serewo na ndi Igbo nuo ha na emenwu onwe ha. Igbos don't love themselves. You will see all those people coming out to celebrate the arrest of Ogechi. Now, do you think that in Nahadu against all those things, Fanny? The answer is no. What is the answer? It just happened to their favorite person, which is their area of interest. Are they believing now that my interest will be the same thing with them? No. So what we are having on Facebook is just clash of interest. Yes, it's just clash of interest. It is not that you are interested in the truth. It is just clash of interest. That is what it is. Yes, and until the day some of us will wake up and we will say, okay, if we end on Facebook. It will end on Facebook. Because Mr. Okeke bilitere kwuo ife nwe ka osu wedo maka Mr. Okafo ekoshono ya. Mr. Okafo ekwukwa ife nwe ka osu wedo aba Mr. Okeke ekoshono ya. Ha afuna na ife ojo ni na ha na ekwu no na support rozie. You want to go? No na support rozie. Then all these things will stop. But if you think you will stop it by teaming up against this person, if I know the kana Okeke television, I say yeah, no mistake. You was able to for the same television. Keru major Ijwe arrive. No one gives you mistake. But bad careless. The same thing Ghana Abu committed, but you gave different judgment. You want to go? Anyway, like I said, Adonilo Gamna na today. There will be no motion. I suppose we may be online, but I decided to come because make them buy you phone on Facebook. Real people will see a different blogger. Actually, money is my favorite. Yes, you cannot. I can man may reduce so when na Facebook into doing your own bidding on go button na Facebook. Why did you start following me in the first place? Is it not because na mu something? If I could you like him, a mama don't just see what is in Kendo. Enjoy your talk in this guy to brave. But the guy exercised that bravery in another place like you. How can we continue in that manner? I am asking you. How can we continue in that manner? You support this one here, you go against it here. For example, Okeke gui odoma, Okafo gui odoma, mani iteta sura si Okafo go Okeke, man Okeke akon Ogafi, emona nongu woye eyeje chifere. But on Okeke go Okafi, he condemn we. Okafo go Okeke, he condemn we. Okeke no Okafa, manu ni di dum adoroma. Ha ko say gwe. Man ite se badono Okafi isi go Okeke, Okeke deserve ke egbo. Then if Mohammed go and need the choice for the actual or the idea. So I believe it will help us along the way. Truth is the only thing that we serve, and end even this thing or saga na Facebook. Because many now they put the print poster RIP post on Facebook. The same one on celebrate here. E just say me from where goes we there, e be condemn ye. E be condemn ye. Chukwanu no nwu na ajuju. Chukwanu no nwu na ajuju. Na ndị Igbo na asị na wala feloke owula ala. Ndị Hausa no na Facebook. Ndị Yoruba no na Facebook. When you go to Facebook and you see them, they talk about real issues. They talk about real issues bordering on their land, bordering on realities having face. But ndị Igbo anako akolunka anako confusion between people. Yeah? Anako confusion between people. Onye mude nwanne obiaye. Enwe kampu A, kampu B, ana apia to see ife niile do na ana Igbo. Nwanne ana egbu nwanne. Asambika, you know, eziokwu ọtọrọ ụtọrị. Ị chọrọ ịkwụrụ nna ke unu wa ube eziokwu maka ọ da-atọ ụtọ. Onye esibenara na ofe mmesi atọ ụtọ. Isi mmeri na ofe osiri atọ ụtọ eziokwu ka ikwuru. Mana ọ tọrọ ụtọ igbe na ọtọrọ ụtọ ọhụ ga ka ị tụrụ. Kedu ife iji wee gbe na ofe tọrọ ụtọ wanyị na ọtọrọ ụtọ ọ maka na ịgba ya eziokwu ma mado na ofe atọghị ụtọ ịma na ikoru n'okwu onye ahụ ife ha na-agwa. So here in Africa we enjoy a polished lies acetylene powder or if I enjoy kiyesi we ju we ajuju onwe potese oge isi a ị na-afụ ka ekwensu ndị niile a na-ekwu na ha like ya ọ na ha hụ mmadụ mụnwa na onwe emu from my own point ajụkwa m sị Chinonso gbaa generator ahụ ọkụ ọdụdụ ịghọtago. So ajụkwa m onwe m wee sị Mathias a m na-ekwu n'ọdụ etu a n'ọdụ etu a ọkwụrụ ndị mmadụ na-eje na peji Mathias si ya ride on ọkwụrụ same message m na-asị na ọ dọrọ mma ka some people na-ejekwa na-asị ride on nwa Chineke ride on nwa Chineke. Ịghọtara ife m na-ekwu. mana iwepụ eze ugo Deo Matthias Nanko, you will see the truth. You will see the truth. The truth is there. Only if emotion and sentiment will not allow you to say the truth. That is being emotional and sentimental. In a zoo himbungo, nobody gave you that job. You simply see, or you simply saw that the crime is not good. They are stay away from it. So that is being emotional. Instead of you to condemn that act out of emotion and sentiment, you will look for something to even, oh my God. So celebrate arrest of Ogechi. I don't care. In I've been on my page, say arrest Ogechi. I don't care. I don't care. What I go, what I know is that any support I know I can give to Ogechi, I will gladly do that. With reason. I know you are not after her because you are seeking for justice. I know you are after her because you want to take a pound of flesh. I know if you are after her because you want to seek for justice, you will also be after other people. Because justice cannot be, the justice in Akwa Ibom is the same justice in Nnewi. It is the same justice in Lagos. Ibu mmadụ na Lagos wụrụ na ọdụrọmma na Ekiti, ọdụrọmma na Nnewi. Onye jezi na Lagos edumma bịa na Nnewi, oya adumma. That is the truth. That is the truth which you must face. So if at all you want to end saga na Facebook, Okeke kwuo ife adọrọmma maka Okonkwo, condemn Okonkwo, you can correct me and still, you can disagree with me and still like me. Are you not aware? I disagree with a lot of my fans on some issues. Just like when the issue of Very Dark Man came up, there were some of my fans who, somebody like Ononseluaka na-eso, but Ononseluaka, we disagree on issue of VDM. That does not mean that we are fighting. That does not mean that we must quarrel over it. Yeah. You want to go? We can disagree on issue without fighting over it. Don't you know? Over there, I want some go. No, if you go to my VDM or if you go to my I disagree with you. Mr. Patrick, you are here watching. They broadcast a very far that day. Mr. Patrick, you called me, told me, no, let's go on this one. I disagree with you. And it is there. But I want to know maka Okeke likely. Say maka Okafe chinine. He says go ni wonyala just like Mexico. He simply turned Jackson simply because not for Amuro Ogechi Doma. And that is somebody who used to follow my page every minute. Every minute on they follow my page. Now I say, ride on, carry on. You don't even know how to manage relationship, but you are going after Ogechi. You don't even know how to. So you cannot disagree with your brother on an issue on a one day. You cannot disagree with your blood sister na issue go na ya kawuru nwanne ana m ajụ ajụjụ. So you must fight because you disagree with the person. If you understand this, there will be less problem on Facebook. You other go. There will be less problem on Facebook because you cannot force me into believing what you believe in. I have a way I draw conclusion. Okay, give me Joe Sokafo. I will block you right away. Advisor. Ban immediately. I don't want you. I don't even care if you decide to hide your this thing into a other go. I don't care because you must be part of Ifemneku. You must be part of Ifemneku. How else can you be talking about advising Ogechi? Have you ever advised the people in Woku? I'm asking you. Yeah? Have you ever advised? Can you go and show me one video or one comment? Maybe Jegolu Nanda had Ogechi Woku. Go and say, if you report, and I will run a 1-hour broadcast addressing Ogechi publicly. Yes. Show me one. If I don't do it, Marona Mahezugo. Show me one. Ebi Fudamalo, I'm on a WhatsApp group, na Facebook ever. No Kumako Ogechi. Iwe Bieba, Weseha, Bikolu, Nifu, the Quadroma. No one also laughing emoji. I love emoji. Ki ade Sunday. Because to you, you deserve everything on it. You deserve for you. Enjoy Diego juice, say fried rice, and enjoy the arrest of Ogechi. The rest assured that people like us stand with her. Yes, people like us with her. Yes. It is what it is. Yes. So I will know na mo na go do mma. Iwe fi ruo na do mma mo na Ogechi. Ye maybe oto mo na na ato. It is your business. It is your business because I don't even know many people gonna have friends. Yes. I may not like some of them, but it's not my business. I may disagree with some of them, but it's not my business. So if you decide to take it on a personal level, it is your business and not mine. You get the point? It is the kind of thing on Facebook, a community where we disagree on issues and still remain brothers and sisters. If you don't understand that game, you can argue with your brothers in the house, argue with your sisters in the house. That does not change the fact that they are still your sisters, they are still your brothers. You merely disagreed with them on some issues. Friends do argue, and when you are arguing based on what you believe in. The other person is arguing based on what he believes in. You are sharing ideas. You are disagreeing with ideas. There is nothing personal about it. We are talking about ever water. Na another miri. From ever water and the miri ever water ngona alwe iye ji we were wanu someone dey work ana ma jo ajuju no iye sisi anya wonu maka J Park we no so dey shop J Park odi obala mmelu Ogechi maka J Park Ogechi ahada mmelu man if you we dey to out because me na support to J Park without I don't use J Park where I'm at. I cannot call everybody, but I'm going to use JPAC because no who JPAC is we need na the arrest of January. So, in a support to JPAC, it should be before the Kunon. Money the against in our support Ogechi. Without our mind, before Ogechi the Kunon. Even Neku Obarale, you hate her about Nyas. Oh, me go na own. Ma be no wilo. Oh, melolu hilo. Yelo. Ọ dị yelo milo ka mgbanu nde mu na ha. Ka mgbanu nde mu na anwe ko si wedo ka ma di yelo tal milo. Yelo tal milo and melo tal hilo. You are not even my friend. Why do you want me to fight your battles for you? Eh? Ana m ajụ ajụjụ. And then you kwa na ajụjụ na do man esari yasa. Let us stop this nonsense because so we see this nonsense. So we say this nonsense. The earlier I could say the better. Eh? Sometimes the men even the Igbo na-eme n'ihu akwụkwọ ifere ha na-eme. Men even the Igbo na-eme n'ihu akwụkwọ ifere ha na-eme. I may feel ashamed. Ese go na mu wo n'Igbo. Okwefa ya mmadụ mechi ha anya n'ọnwụ nke aga. Mmadụ ka ije nita. Mmadụ ka ije doi na today. Kpochie nke aga. Abado mmadụ aja nke aga. Abado ha mmadụ aja na nke aga. Nye ka mmadụ ya apụta n'ọrụ gado na azọgonu. Anyway, my people, I think I won't go far. I won't go further on this broadcast. It is merely to tell people that there is no cause for alarm. You got to go. There is no cause for alarm. Ogechi is fine. Ogechi abahono. You got to go. Okay, what that same arrest. Emerundos agwara go na arrest. Aplo nyawe fa na. You got to go. What that same arrest ka arrest Ogechi. So they are free to rejoice, but by God's grace, everything will be under control. Okay, come on, bossy. I shall not to call a spade and stop calling it shovel simply because it is in your backyard. That is the day I do liberated from this thing Anna Osaga. I don't even know how it came into existence in the first place. I don't know how it came into existence in the first place. And for as long as some people want to choke join I don't have that time. I don't have that time. That kind of time the mother let the vote. Yeah? What I go? For the no disaster on a family only. When you want to come to Facebook to come and claim what one thing you don't do. Owono ni Ogechi na-ekwu na ntị na asọmpi mana Nkechi so mama na-ekwu na mara mma ịma na ịhụ mmadụ. Who are you to love her and you tell me to hate Ogechi? Onye ka ewu inwere uche ịlọvụrụ ya asọgwa ngwa ya si o, but ana m asị ebe ị laikere ya kedu ihe ejizi asị onye ọzọ hate Ogechi. Bakini mi foge na-ekwu Chisomekwubo. I want you to tell me one. Yeah? Can you tell me one? Mani ibe ni sionya. Ride on. Mani ibe bi sionya si shwe ke egbuo. Disem ibu nka Ogechi na-ekwu. Ka nye nwe na-ekwu. Mana iwe ebe ni na akụrụ ya aka iruzie n'ọnụ Ogechi ebe ịma na ọ dụrụ mma. Why can't you condemn it into onye akwụ ebe na n'okwu otu ife ife anyị na-anụ onye akwụ ebe kwa onye n'okwu otu ife aka anyị na-anụ n'ọkwa nya ka ị na-eme ịghọtago onye ọwụ na amalụ na nwere ife na fight for Ko no nka wonke odo ma no nka je ba je na comment here. You know, giving them and say, I love you. You are a superwoman. You are nka. You are nka. Ne wonka. But Ogechi use exact same word. You will understand the meaning. The difference between that is the people you are seeing. Take those people away and judge that thing, Haneku. You will condemn it outrightly. That is my point. You will not see it, but you know it. You will not see it, but my happiness is that you know it. Ndibo. Okay. You have gone this level. Onye buru nwanne ya ahụ odogwu. In this case of Ogechi, onye buru nwanne ya yenye ya award. Ai Chineke. Ike gwụrụ. Ana m amụ ndị Igbo amụ. Akụzayon na-eji polisi intimidate ndị be anyị. Akụzayon na-intimidate ndị be anyị. What the same those people. So na Akụzayon na-eji polisi intimidate ndị be anyị. Those same people. The police are show Ogechi. Nke Ogechi ahụzi intimidation. Ịghọtara? Nke Ogechi ahụzikwa intimidation o. My mom ya say agwa na aka mma na eke tụọ ya. O nwere onye ya wafu $1 n'aka. Ọ wụrụ nya afọ ya n'aka nwote nkwụ. Ọdụka akwụkwọ ka afụrụ, ọdụka akwụkwọ bread ka afụrụ. Do you chetara ife ha kwuru about Akụzayon those days? Akụzayon no police na ndị Zion wu police ka ha je intimidate ndị mmadụ. Yarara ha akpọ police. It is the same people who are celebrating the same thing. They were condemning them. What is the difference here? They supported Ijele against Zion. So, when you think that right now, they are supporting Onya against Onya. So, Ebefano, anything can happen. Ome in the opposite direction. That is the only way. Imana onye mmadụ ụla aha ama ka ụla si afụ. Until na amaghị ụla eji wee sị na ogbu mma aha ekwe ka ewuru mma gee n'azụ. But how long are we going to continue to live this kind of selfish lifestyle? You. Also Okeke n'ụwa. Even na nnewu ya. Also Okeke iruo na Akwa Ibom mmadụ ka nkụ. We reason differently. How can we coexist despite the fact that we are reasoning differently? So now the best way we can coexist peacefully. Emari ife ya we me otu ọrụ mma emekwa na ya onye ọzọ. Na ni na chasi ife ahụ mmadụ na-eme ihe na ọdụ mma. Mee mana study chasa na ndị be anyị na Facebook funa na ife ndị mmadụ na-eme ewu ife ha ma na-eme ha n'ọya adụfa mma. How can you condemn Akụzayon for coming to Mkpọ to arrest Matthias? Then you clap for the people who arrested Ogechi and took her to Mkpọ, and you are celebrating her arrest now in Abuja. How? How can you be against the people who arrested Matthias, but you are clapping and jubilating because Ogechi was arrested? How can you be a campaigner of free VDM boycott GTB Bank. GT Bank. This is oppression. How can you be against the arrest of VDM and you are celebrating the arrest of Ogechi? Between these things are people who are influencing your decision. You are not even taking that decision because that is your stand. You are taking that decision because of people who are involved. In a nutshell, a man na akpọ ashawo no na ewe you akpọzi n'oge echi ashawo. A man na akpọ onye ohi na like here. Akpọzi n'oge echi onye ohi. A man na ifu ebe oge echi na akpọ ndị mmadụ ashawo na ihe like ifu ebe a na-akpọ ya ashawo caution wonder. Because all na ashawo the bad. Where the woman deserve ka akpọ ya. All the woman the bad. Where any person deserve ka akpọ ya. So, a marry fame man email or ya do woman. Emena you know so. Na nile chaste fa maro na eme ye no adom na ye ko ya we mekwa ye echi iburu ye mo kari ye ba ka ba ya mara emma tashifoni.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe on this channel, share this video, like and comment. Thank you and God bless you. Please subscribe.